Hello, this is Val, the design engineer for VentTabs. Today we'll be doing a Venttab replacement install for a Jeep Renegade 2015 to the current model, which is 2020. This is the driver's side vent. This also applies to the passenger side vent. And this is the replacement vent tab we have. It's a single piece. So we're going to want to locate the rear vent tab adjustment post, which is this one here, and also this blade, which the vent tab will go over. And we're going to lightly press on the vent tab, not all the way yet, because we want to line up the back fork with the adjustment post. And once you have done that, then snap it into place, just like that. And you can see it is working again. Thank you for watching, and you can find all of our products online at VentTabs.com.